Morning, beautiful people. Madonna here. Just wanted to do a very quick little balance around clearing that negative energy from this earth plane that we're on at the moment. So there's so much negativity, and anyone who's an empath, anyone who's sensitive is gobbling this up into their little cells of their body, like, you know, it's just like it's attaching to us, and we've just got to let it go, let it go, let it go. So I'm going to surrogate this central meridian for the energy of the whole planet. So I'm going to ask the body to tune into the energy of the planet. Tune into the energy of goodness. Tune into the energy of releasing the dark, releasing the toxicity, releasing the power of those negative, evil people in our universe that we don't want in our consciousness. We don't want them in our space. We don't want them in our hearts and minds. So this is about bringing light. Okay, so breathing, breathing, breathing. Infusing the light into every cell in your body. Breathe in, breathing out the darkness. Breathing in the light, breathing out the darkness, breathing in the power, breathing out the negativity. We are light, we are power, we are beauty. We release negativity, we release evil, we release darkness. Releasing any and all darkness on the planet. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Releasing any and all negativity on the planet. Pain and punishment. We release any and all pain and punishment circuits holding us hostage. We release any and all pain and punishment circuits holding us to ransom. We release any and all pain and punishment circuits limiting our freedoms. Infusing the light, releasing the negativity. Infusing the light, releasing the evil, infusing our internal power, releasing the darkness. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. We are awakening. We are spiritual beings. We are all powerful. Rage and anger. We infuse joy. We infuse light. We infuse laughter. We release anger. We release frustration. We release hostility. We infuse laughter. We infuse joy. We infuse happiness. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Okay. Visualize the planet. Golden light surrounding our beautiful planet. Healing. Healing with goodness, releasing the darkness. Healing with positivity, releasing the negativity. Healing our soul energies. Increasing our soul empathy, increasing our soul positivity. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. We are love, we are truth, we are power. Mwah. Have a great day, everyone. Love you.